Hello guys, it's Copy again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Windows. Sometimes you have problems with updating your Windows because your Windows settings may be on manual and you have to shift it or remove it from manual to automatic so that it can update your Windows files and drivers automatically for you. And a lot of guys normally find problems in doing that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Windows, or your Windows can update itself for you automatically without having to go through all the problems by yourself. So let's see how we can do this. So if you like my video, you can go ahead and then check on that notification bell below and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's move on to it. We'll go to this PC. Here I've named this PC and another name. So we go to this PC and you go to manage. Go to manage and then you see the computer management window. When this window pops up, you go to services and applications. Services and applications opens the services and the VMI control, and so you open the services, and then what do? We then search for Windows updates. So let's move down. We are searching for Windows updates. Defender, driver updates coming down. Windows Prime, yes, this is Windows updates. Okay, so what you do is you right click on Windows updates and then you go to properties. Open the properties. You will find that this option may be on manual. Like this. So you have to change the option from manual to automatic, and then you apply. After applying, you stop the service. If the service is running, you stop the service and then you start the service again. So we then start the service like this. Yes. So the service has been started in the background on automatic. So it will be getting updates automatically and downloading and installing the updates by itself automatically. So after this, you just click OK, and then you can close this window and then go to check for updates. So let's see how you can go to check for updates. You can just click the Windows button on your keyboard and just type Windows, and then you see in the pop-ups, in the options that pop up, Windows update options, or you can type update and then you can go to check for updates or Windows update settings. Any of them will take you to the Windows update window. So let's see, check for updates. Yes, so when you come here, you can then check for updates and leave it on. The computer will do all the work, the rest of the work for you, and you wouldn't have to worry if you have a very stable internet connection. Thank you guys very much for watching, and if you like my videos, continue to subscribe for more videos. Peace out.